1. On the coordinate grid, reflect shape A across the y-axis. Remember to decide which axis is the y-axis and look at the corners of the shape to determine how you are going to reflect it. This A in the middle is just naming the shape. It is not identifying any of the corners or vertexes of the shape. Number 2. On the coordinate grid, translate shape A 5 units to the right and 3 units down. Again, you are looking at the corners or the vertexes of the shape. This A in the center is just identifying that this is shape A. You are translating it 5 units to the right and 3 units down. Number 3. On the coordinate grid, rotate shape A 180 degrees about the origin. Think about your quadrants and which quadrant you'd end up in. This is one of the special ones that we have to do something before we can rotate. Number 4. On the coordinate grid, dilate shape A by a scale factor of 2. Think about how we use factor in math and what it means. Remember, this is a special one. You have to do something before you can plot your new shape. Number 5. Which transformation is shown below? Remember, we're looking at our first figure to our second figure. A, 90 degrees clockwise rotation about the origin. B, 90 degrees counterclockwise rotation about the origin. C, reflection about the y-axis. D, 180 degree rotation. Please make sure you cross out any answer choices that do not make sense. Number 6. Which figure accurately shows a reflection across the x-axis? Please make sure, if you need to, get some graph paper out of the drawers on the side and think about how we're going to reflect hello across the x-axis. Number 7. Which transformation is shown below? Is it A, a dilation, B, a rotation, C, a reflection, D, a translation? Number 8. Rectangle LMNP was dilated to form rectangle L', M', N', P'. The center of dilation was the origin. Select all true statements. Remember, this is a hotspot question, which means there is going to be more than one answer. Our first choice is the scale factor used was less than 1. Our second choice, the dilation is a reduction of the original figure. Reduction, remember, just means that it's smaller. So it's just like saying the dilation is smaller than the original figure. The third choice is square LMNP is congruent to L', M', N', P'. And the fourth choice is each side of square L', M', N', P' is a half as long as its corresponding side on square LMNP. Number 9. A weaver uses a coordinate grid to design a rug. The weaver transforms triangle ABC to make triangle A', B', C', as shown below. Which best describes the transformation? So look at what's happening from our original figure to our new figure. A, triangle A', B', C' is a translation 2 units down of triangle ABC. B, triangle A', B', C' is a translation of 2 units up of triangle ABC. C, triangle A', B', C' is a reflection of triangle ABC over the x-axis. D, triangle A', B', C' is a reflection of triangle ABC over the y-axis. Number 10. If rectangle ABCD is rotated 180 degrees, which best represents the coordinates of the new figure? Think about what we know about each coordinate, or each quadrant, and where we want to end up. There's a rule we have to remember when we rotate 180 degrees. So our directions match each word to the correct definition. Number 11. A turn of the figure around a fixed point. Is that A, dilation, B. Translation, C. Rotation, D. Reflection. Number 12. A slide of the figure in which all points on the figure move the same distance in the same direction. Number 13. A transformation. Sorry, I want to read your choices for number 12. So again, number 12 says, a slide of the figure in which all points on the figure move the same distance in the same direction. A. Dilation, B. Translation, C. Rotation, D. Reflection. Now, number 13. A transformation that reflects a figure across a line in the plane. Is that A. Dilation, B. Translation, C. Rotation, D. Reflection. And 14. A transformation that changes the size of a figure by a scale factor to create a similar figure. A. Dilation, B. Translation, C. Rotation, D. Reflection.